Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Sisi over here. Here's the mini Santa Claus, guys. Put over here. Pick it up. Here's Sophia, guys, putting gift under our tree. Sige lang. Here's Sophia, guys. So where you wanna put it? Here's our mini Santa Claus, guys. Put the gift there. Don't mix up over there. No, over here. The side there. Where's there? So you're gonna give it to daddy, alright? There you go. Wow, good job. Here's our mini Santa Claus, guys. Still more? OMG. Good job. Okay, get the other two bag over there. Bring your card here. Sophia, guys. OMG. Sige, put the gift over here. Ayan, Sophia, guys. So, lalagay ng gift. Good job. Yeah, that's for daddy. You're gonna give it to daddy, alright, tomorrow? Yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Sophia and daddy. Hey, that's for Angela. That's for Angela.
At night we will.
So, Angela, where are you? Sisi putting gift. Merry Christmas, guys. Tomorrow we gonna unwrap, guys, gift. Santa Claus will bring Sophia gift later. Put it in there, Sophia. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, everyone.